What's up, everybody? Today we've got a 2015 Ford F-150. I'm going to show you how to remove the plastic driver's seat trim. It's pretty easy. You've got a screw in the back, one screw in the front. There's a little bit of a lever or this metal bracket here that this slides over. And then you've got this deal here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off and show you. There's your front screw. You're gonna come from the underside of the seat, locate this screw at the front, remove that, and that's going to take a Torx bit. So there's your Torx bit screws. They look like this. You're gonna need a flashlight of some sort, most likely, if you want to be able to see it. And you've got another one of those screws right here in the back. You're gonna come back here, push that like that, and you'll see that screw mounts right here in that little hole. And you've got this little tab and this little tab. So once you get the screws out, you're gonna give it a little pressure on either end and pop, that's this little slot that's slid over the first one. There's the second one right there. All right, now for this one, it goes into this square hole, so you can reach from in behind carefully. There's sharp metal inside here from the stamping process at the factory, so you want to be careful of these edges. But you're going to go ahead and you can pinch this so you don't snap it when you're pulling and ripping on it to get it out. And then it'll come right off. Actually, you've got this thing. Now it's got this clip in there, but what I've found is you don't have to actually remove it. If you just get a hold of this thing, of course, imagine that your trim is still on there. Get your fingers back behind it a little bit from on this side and this side, and just start wiggling and pulling, and that thing will pull right off and push right back on without any issues. I've even snapped these off before, and even with half of the material there, it still was able to reinstall and function properly. So hopefully that helped you out. Reverse the process to put it back on. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. Appreciate you. See you on the next one.